I'm Thea. This is our SciShow, and
me.
we're going to see how the bacteria grow.
And I'm Jackson.
Let's look inside. Wow. Look at all the carbon swabs here. This is a pipette.
And this is the pipette too.
Wait, 2 pipettes? This is our page waste. This is what's agar in it. Agar is used to grow bacteria.
Let's go test bacteria.
I picked my favorite stuffed animal, hot dog, and I'm going to test the bottom of the soup. This boot, not the whole soup.
I keep my top on my puzzle.
We're going to test our tower sieve. Let's get our hands dirty! Yeah! I got the key. Let's wash our hands. I wash my hands with soap. Jackson washed his hands with sanitizer. What? Let's do mine. Did I touch everything yet? Can I touch stuff?
No, you can touch stuff.
Let's test Daddy's keyboard and see how dirty it is. I can't wait to test Daddy's keyboard.
Me too.
Let's go! We test Daddy's computer. I think his is going to be dirtiest because his keyboard uses every day. But I think he never cleaned it. We're going to put this in this box. And we're going to check in a couple days. How much bacteria do you think you grow? It's been a couple days. Let's open the box. Here it is. Let's look at that keyboard first. Bacteria. Okay. Daddy needs a green one. We should sew that. I don't know. Jackson's boot. Jackson has to. You have to clean your boot, or someone has to clean it. Jackson's boot. That's why we take our boots for coming in the house. Wow, hot dog's very clean. Look at hot dog. He's so clean. Jackson's puzzle. That's the only mold there. This is my teeth.
And this is my teeth is so clean.
Mine is clean too. That's a little bacteria, and I just have one.
I got my teeth so clean.
Now I'm going to show you what your hands looked like when you got them dirty outside.
That's good. Mine is dirtier.
And mine is dirty.
Mine is the dirtiest side. So we should definitely, every time we go outside, if we have a picnic for go outside, and after we go outside, let's wash our hands. Speaking of which, let's look and see what it looked like when we washed our hands.
Now, this one is Thea's with soap and water.
Whoa!
And this is Jackson's with hand sanitizer.
Mine is more cleaner than his.
But there's still some stuff in there, so what does that mean?
They both have germs on it.
That means we need to wash our hands better.
And I got mine. You should sing happy birthday twice. I need to wash my hands longer than this works. That's the biggest bacteria also wash our hands longer and clean things properly. And you have to see Daddy's laptop. Yeah. Thank you for watching our science show. Come back next time for more science experiments. Bye. I love science.
How about you?